Ripped jacket, now it's Fendi belts, and yeah, the kicks match. How you prick smashing, nigga quick gas. An over talking car, we can get the shit cracking. All I gotta do is pick the phone up, and man a roll up. Send me in his jeans, not a bone up. But I ain't about to switch, cause it's pointless. I'm trying to break down a brick till it's pointless. I ain't hearing all your moistness. About you shot and drop heads, all tails like a coin flip. Think about it. SMH games full of broads. I'm eating dinner in Paris, yeah, I'm full of broad. I'm still for the course, so the still will applause. Get your jaw tan, 4-man grill on the floor. Meth trap hard for the squiller bitch. Let's get your gas mask for this killer shit. Man, I've been a chef, reaping in the benefits. Yeah, I'm here whipping with Willow Smith. You're still on balls and you've got a dead connection like I don't go. But I'm banned from south and can't come through. Dumb fools, I go ends when I want to. They thought meth kinda fell off, of course not. A Porsche car, I've been going hard for the Porsche drop. Still got the game fully locked. Fort Knox, so don't say I don't eat like pork chops. Flip raw grub, rich poor top. Started with a strip and a quarter. Fuck what you thought, bruh. Don't ever talk rough, or my dog might ring bullets, cause I call shots. Niggas envious of me cause I'm a higher roller. With all that hate in your chest, you'll probably die alone now. I'm strictly about the guala, trying to buy my own yard. That's why I'm flipping bare white, nothing like a polar. But in my mind, I wanna stop flipping it, cause on his deathbed, that was one of my pop's wishes. But daddy had a job and he worked for Guap legit. It's hard for me, I grew up on the block vicious. Still a wavy nigga, always make the gravy bigger. Keep your eye on your bitch, might beat your lady mister. Turn her back way, then I get crazy with her. Till I spray kids on her ass, that's a babysitter. You wanna met love me, I'm trying to stretch gearing. And really met enough P without the feds appearing. I got pep spots, please don't ever get near them, cause a headshot could leave him looking Ed Sheeran. Fuck what you heard, I ain't a victim. They only understand when it blam and it